Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to do an unboxing of the new Pixelbud 2s. So to give you a reference, let's switch over to the desktop here. So I just got them. These are the second generation of the Pixelbuds. And unlike the first generation of the Pixelbuds, which are right here, they are completely wireless. And they are supposed to be pretty cool. So these are the first generation, which were wired and came in this nice little soft case, and they fit around your head like this. But of course, you know, over the years, Apple made these AirPods. These AirPods are quite nice and quite interesting. So, Pixelbuds second generation, and let's see how they look. Open it up. Okay, if I can open it up. Let's see. All right. Next. Just slide out like this. And voila. All right, let's put this aside for a second and put that. Look at what else is in this. Looks like there's some extra ear tabs and a USB-C and some instructions. All right, we don't need the instructions. And let's put this back in here. This back here. All right, close it all up. All right, so let's look at this. I always love to rip these off. Okay. Go. Off. Nice, feels good. Compared to the Apples, a little bit more texture on them, a little less glossy, you can see. And they are. So, magnetically fit in there, and they charge. Okay. Interesting. Let's see how they work. I think if we just open up the case, let's open up the case. There we go. Pixelbuds, tap, connecting. Not sure why. Okay, there we go. Connected to Kern's Pixel. Tap to finish setup. All right, let's start the setup. I accept. Try on your. Rotate each ear until it stays in place. When you tap it or move your head. All right, so let's try this. And there's music playing already in there. Okay. Raise the volume. That works. Lower the volume. Tap either earbud to pause. Skip to next track or end reject call. Double tap. Triple tap. Simple storage. Okay. Okay, Google, when's my next meeting? Next. Agree to voice match. I agree. Hello? Hello? When you want to hear it. Got it. When's my next meeting? Okay. Can't access my G Suite calendar, but I'm learning new things every day. Honestly, Google has been saying that for the last 2 years. So it's not really learning anything, but that's my little annoyance with Google Assistant. Can't access my G Suite calendar. Don't know. Okay, so we're all set up. We're at 100% for both of the pods, or both the earpieces, and that's it. So let's try playing Spotify. Okay, Google, play Spotify. And I think I didn't actually have to say, hey, Google, for that one. Stop. Nice. Turn off the office lights. There we go. Turn on the office lights. Awesome. So what do you think? Not bad. They are fairly comfortable. They are fairly comfortable. They fit very nicely. I'm using the default plugs that come with it. Didn't have to change to a bigger or smaller plug. And yeah, not bad. Good job, Google. I hope the translate function works. Let's try that out, in fact. So let's go over here and say, all right, help me speak Spanish. Hello, how was your day? Oh, that's kind of hard to say. Okay, I guess I have to do. Oh, it keeps doing it. Okay, but like, how do the other person hear it? Stop. Nice. It did kind of work kind of fast, and of course I don't speak Spanish, so I don't know how to say the words that show up in my ear. But Other than that, it's pretty good. Very cool. Thanks, Google. Bye.